Hi, I'm Bill from CJ Pony Parts. American Carcraft produces USA-made high-quality stainless steel dress-up for your Mustang, Raptor, and several other vehicles as well. Today we're going to show you how to install their custom front and door handle trim on our 2012 SVT Raptor. This door panel trim is sold as a pair and will fit all 2010 through 2014 Raptors. Features a Ford licensed Raptor logo and installs easily with supplied double-stick tape. We're going to start with the driver's side. They obviously are side specific because of the logo, but what you want to do is just hold it up to the door handle. You're probably going to have to bend it a little bit to get it to fit flush. If the contour is not right, it will not stay on the door. Should be pretty close, maybe small changes. All right, there we go. Now we can prep for installation. Now if you use any kind of Armor All, Back to Black, whatever on these, you want to make sure you get some alcohol, clean the area thoroughly so the tape sticks. Now grab the supplied primer. What you want to do is break it in the middle. You hear a crack, and then shake it up. Now we'll put some primer where the tape's going to go. Give that a little bit of time to set up. I want to carefully line it up. And stick it on. And the same thing with a little insert. Peel back the tape. Repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. The Raptor door handle covers add a nice custom touch to the Raptor that could very easily be a factory option. Like I said, these look really great, very easy to install, about 5 minutes total. You'll be back on the road in no time.